Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook group. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to delete Facebook group. So let's get started. So guys, to delete Facebook group, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar facebook.com and press enter. So guys, to delete Facebook group, first I'm going to create a group. So to create group, here you can see the option of group. So click on it. Now after that you can see the option of create new group. So click on it. Now type the group name. So I'm going to type here Trendy Startups. Now choose privacy, public or private. So I'm going to click on public. Now invite friend if you want, but if you don't want, then simply click on create. So guys, as you can see, we have created the group. Now simply go back to home page. Now after that, simply you can see the option of groups. So click on groups. So guys, when you click on groups, so here you can see this is our group. So guys, to delete group, you can see the option of joined. So click on it. So here you have to simply click on leave group. So guys, here you can see as you are the last admin and member, leaving will also delete this group. So simply click on leave group. Now simply refresh the page. Now click on groups. So guys, as you can see, we have not found our group. Means that we have deleted our Facebook group. So guys, as you can see, we have deleted the Facebook group. So you can also delete the Facebook group by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.